Hi, in this video, I didn't really have a topic that I decided that I was going to talk about, but there's this one thing that I watched recently, and I kind of felt like talking about it. So I'm not sure where this video is going to go, but um, it's such an interesting thing that I wanted to talk about it. So recently, I was looking at some pictures of space. Like there was this one picture, Hubble Ultra Deep Field, which is basically what they did is they took a dark spot in the sky and um, they took a picture, a long exposure picture of that part of the sky, and it showed these hundreds or thousands of galaxies, and it's a pretty amazing picture. Probably you must have seen it. If you haven't, I really recommend that you see that picture. And apart from that, I was looking at this another picture of Andromeda Galaxy, which is taken. I think it is the resolution of that picture was in gigapixels. So it was a very detailed image, and when you zoom into it, you can actually see um, the stars, the actual stars in the galaxy. So it doesn't look like a haze, but you can actually see it, and that's a large part of the galaxy. You can see one of the spiral arms, and it's just a really amazing picture. So if you haven't seen it, I recommend that you look at these pictures. And it's just looking at these pictures, it created this. It was such an amazing feeling just to see these pictures and actually to get that scale of how this how get the scale of the universe. And even when you're looking at just a picture of the Andromeda Galaxy, that is just one galaxy, and when I zoomed into it and I saw all those stars, it was just it there's just no words. It's incredible. So I was thinking, like, it is it should be um, space exploration. Basically it should it's I mean, I don't know how it can be neglected after seeing such incredible images. And it's just there is wow, I'm kind of finding it difficult to talk about this because of the just the scale of these images. It has it kind of the kind of effect it has on you when you first see it. It's just incredible. But I feel it is such an incredible thing if we could at some point begin to get into space exploration in a way that we can actually get to visit these stars and potentially habitable planets on these stars. And there have to be um, planets on these stars, orbiting these stars, where the conditions have to be right. So with so many stars being present in our galaxy and in just neighboring galaxies, not to mention the, I don't even know, billions of galaxies that there is so much potential. And I mean, it is kind of it's kind of it kind of makes me sad to think that right now we cannot go out and explore it, but it would be incredible if we could just have the technology to actually go out and explore this massive universe. And so yeah, those are just a few of my thoughts on it, because after seeing those images I just had to like try to talk about it, because I can't really put it into words, the feeling that I got when I saw those pictures, but it's just amazing. So in case you haven't seen those pictures, I highly recommend that you do. So yeah, those are just a few of my thoughts on this. And I'm sorry if this wasn't really an interesting video. I just had to like talk about this. So yeah, that's where I'm going to end this video, and I'll see you in the next videos.